Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make nacho sauce at home. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need about 8 ounces of your favorite cheese, shredded, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter and flour. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother. A good quality cheddar or a blend works wonderfully for a rich, creamy sauce. Now, let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium-low heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir this mixture constantly for about 1 minute to create a smooth roux. This step is crucial for thickening your sauce and ensuring it has a silky texture without any lumps. Keep the heat gentle to prevent burning. Next, slowly pour in 1 cup of milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. The mixture will begin to thicken beautifully. Once it reaches your desired consistency, remove the saucepan from the heat. This is a key step. Now, add your 8 ounces of shredded cheese, stirring constantly until it is completely melted and smooth. This off-heat method prevents the cheese from separating, ensuring a perfectly creamy sauce. Your delicious homemade nacho cheese sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with your favorite tortilla chips, over loaded fries, or even on hot dogs. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 or 4 days. To reheat, gently warm it on the stovetop over low heat, adding a splash of milk or water to bring back that perfect, smooth consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.